In this video, let me show you how to open a First Abu Dhabi Bank online. Now, in order to get started, you need to first of all download the application of a First Abu Dhabi Bank or the FAB mobile application onto your device. And once the application has been downloaded, right here you can head over to the first option which says Join FAB. Now, in the next step, before you get started, make sure you have a valid Emirates ID with you. You need to be at least 18 years old and you must be a UAE resident or a citizen. Now, within this section, you'll need to just select a product, which is likely going to be a bank account. Apart from that, you can also head over to credit cards or personal loans, depending upon your choices or depending upon what you need. So for now, let's head over to your account. Now, before you get started, it is going to ask you to who you work for or your monthly income. So make sure you add this information first of all. And as you move forward, you just need to fill in all of the information that is asked or just follow the on-screen prompts. As I said, you need to provide your documents, which is going to be the Emirates ID. And you also need to scan your face in order to match the ID that you provided. Once everything is complete, your account should be created, and lastly you just need to set up a unique login password, which is a secure 4-digit mobile PIN. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.